Today at the We Rent shop, I'm going to show you how to time a Volkswagen 2-liter TSI engine out of my 2012 Beetle Turbo fix and flip project car. I got this car for free, and originally it was to be a prop for content creation, but I decided to fix whatever was wrong with it and sell it to help pay the bills. I pulled the entire powertrain, and after inspecting it, I found that the engine had jumped time and roasted all the intake valves. I rebuilt the cylinder head, and with the engine back together, it's now time to renew the entire chain drive. First, you have to make sure your camshafts are sitting at what I call the rest position. In this engine, there's sort of a sweet spot where the camshafts will naturally lay without much pressure from any of the lifters. The timing marks will be facing upward and roughly in this position. Second step is to make sure the number 1 piston is at top dead center. The easiest way is to watch the connecting rod travel through this viewing port in the crankcase.